What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer money from Pocket Option to bank accounts. So, in this case, you might be wondering how to exactly make this transfer here. Well, transferring to your bank account is fairly easy. So what we need to do is you want to go ahead and just access Pocket Option here. Just log in into your account. Now at the left side here, you want to go to Finance. And under Finance, you want to go and just choose the withdrawal option. Now, under withdrawal here, you should be able to see a number of things. Now, from here, you should see your free balance, minimum withdrawal amount, and commission here. Now, typically, the withdrawal option here is disabled by default. Now, in order for you to enable this, so typically the withdrawal request is processed automatically here. So withdrawal process becomes available after you deposit on your account. So if you deposited something in your account, the withdrawal option or feature here should now be available for you. But how or what does it usually look like? So if you've actually added some funds in your account, so usually it looks like something similar to this. Now in here you go and choose your payment method. So obviously you want to go and choose the bank transfer option. Now you also need to specify the amount that you want to basically withdraw, the account number, the bank, the IFSC code, your first name, your last name, your phone number, and your address. Now just take note here that you need to make sure that all the information that you enter or provide here are correct. Now entering the incorrect information may result of you parsing your banking or your transfer here or the withdrawal to the incorrect account. So again, double check everything that you are going to enter in here. But yeah, so by the way, the bank transfer here may not be available on all regions. So depending on your account, the bank transfer option may or may not be available for you. So in this case, that's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.